Hello and welcome to this quick video on how to do a swim lane process map. So what we're going to do is we're going to cover quickly what a process map is. A process map is basically taking what's going on in reality and trying to model it in a way that we can look at it and improve it quickly and easily and help us to see it a little differently. The one we're going to talk about today is a swim lane process map. Here's an example of a grocery checkout process, and we're going to dissect all the parts to it. So there's basically, well, the four basic parts that we're going to look at today. The top right is basically what process you actually have in this block. Each one of these lanes, or a swim lane, is a person responsible. It could also be a department or a government agency or whomever. But ideally, it's the person that owns the tasks that are happening. The tasks are labeled as blocks or squares. The decision points are triangles, and we're going to keep it simple like that. So the way this was read is that a customer places all the cart items on the belt, then the cashier picks up the items to belt and scan. If there's an issue, call the manager, and the manager needs to override, and if it is not, continue scanning until complete. And if you notice, as soon as the manager finishes, they continue to scan until complete. And then you tell the customer the total, and the customer pays the cashier. And these are the sequence that these events happen. If anything happens at the same time, you would see them stacked on top of each other. So what we do is we can go through the process and identify areas that we think we can improve, which are marked by the red star. And then we can come up with a new process. And if you look on the side, there are three different items here. The customer is still there, but now we have RFID tags and payment kiosks. So for the groceries checkout process, we're saying that the customer places item into a grocery bag or cart. The items are scanned automatically. The customer scans the RFID tag to the payment kiosk, and the payment kiosk takes the payment. And so this process map is very different, and we use this as a way to re-engineer a process.